Mbiamano sana omwanche mulebeta sene kia Ndizi TV nebiro binde na ndengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elindengo manyie nara yabereka gokorekana akora chingongo chensi sitariki cyane sitariki 13 mutenyo kabere umwaka w'ikiri bubere 2023 kinga kitoro cheneli tuko lyo koinyora emepira yo bwanchani ase abantu bakobori wo gwetanga namarore kinga kibagendeta kwerobelia asili tukoli neneria angio litkoria Valentine nabaigo abamenyi korwa sensemo ya nyagancha nigo bagendete kwe murungani kobwatka no kuburwa kuburendia chinsemecho asikale bagataba nigo chinyomba cyabere kigosambwa ase chinsemecho nabaigo omo MCA korwa sewodi ya Masige West Jacob Bagaka nigo bono ayimukirige tambukero nabaigo gosemya abasaye chinjera cyo wetanga nebinyugwa byogotindia Mwanchu muri karansa oike ngomanya senchera yo gwenye kolende nyora sinsemo chiche mitandao sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na biga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News sensemo ya website na bagotonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke Hiretari na Fridah Kerubo na sensemo chibiro keryo nigotokobwatanere Joshua Auta ngwire nanda segeke Kerubo sio Elinde ngomanye amange. Ingo chaka kigima omwanchi umurigirira nigongo kumanyibuna kitariki 13 cy'umutinyo kabere okera omwaka neritko limepira yo bwanchani ase abantu bakwenyorirwa wetanga namarore elio gotumeka obotukosekwanekia obotumeki wemepira ekerenge kenene no kuinyora abantu kinga kibagendeta kwerobelia ase ritko linene elia Valentine vairende Abamenyi korwa sekenyoro gia nyagancha ime sub county ya Sameta ebunge ya Bobasi county ya Kisii niko bagendete kwe murungani kobwatikana no kuborwa kuburendi ase chinsemecho anigagocha magega y'abantu batamanyiri watemago samba enyomba litko lyeigoro ase chinsemecho kolende nigo babolire abarayigweso kyana bigo kwimukige tambukiro kyabwango ase kweneki oburendi ase ensemeyo
Amberu nyomba lakini pati gatoka tinara ile rumu hiyo katavoka nganale neti ya yiro moito bwatiru nekibirogo ibitamba bya bwatiru kaboka ngasiara amache bamate bagacha bakanale nyomba nabeyete kangonale gocha kuyira nyomba ane bikorwe bigokoranga byagenderera kobabo basiga iganya mumbe kinyore kega
ono yarenge litukuri lero Jumatatu Isa 11 iga mongo no bogira jugo kama onyoro monto akali kumnyoka para kujumuino no gotama kujumuino gaiga onyoro ryugiri mugiriri nyinge ogojuko kumnyoka kujoro nyora no mororo montaso asambire nyomba nyasa bunaro muyonyo omoro yunyara kabotenena obwate bisigisa amambe yarenge imetwa mnyoka twanya rusia twaja golimyo mororo yu Njena kagera ngani go yarenge ngani go bebe tesa jinde ko limyo morro botuka senge nje jiko nere gaiga nanyora mano morro yo chaka kuru ase rumu ya imase
Unentere yemo yogotanga obosalia na boigogo semia abasae nigo omo MCA we wodi ya Masige West Jacob Bagaka aimukirige tambukiro na boigogo twara egikaro nabasae na boigogo basemia kokwana chinga ki alikurwa obasemia bwago kya sabasabu nigo ababulye gwetanga kurwa ase ebinyugwa bigotindia
chandegete sana nenkera abantu yuti abange bagutumya substance abuse into drug abuse alibone nagenda ono commissioner my biggest challenge to gwata bono abana youth bayirani de stupid pikichoka monda kwa class 8 or drop out or the stupid pig kawe kagali nyore kyombe gyo kunywa amalyoga ya chisokeje abantu barenda bakalikulia ekiliya toite irege sako ankiteka iyo botaka woncho lyo bogima bwaino inchebana tateko batebiga ebi asara na bira onchuri bo mabuago na nyore nibo orosi buogo morosi wodi aino morosi ne county ete Gusii kamuranche mondo ta kungaina nyotraso esabio kunywa marua gose kolie bintu bile birabantu bakolia onye traso toswa next polytechnic injiro robonchi tivet ekere kwanyore na fast gende school na yego attend class 8 gose form 3 gose form 4 na ndio ate grade kia to gende school tonchoreri SMA ete Gusii tochama munene ntakamo
Obonyabini gobogendete gokorekana ime county ya Kisii eliyokwene kibuna aboro kigwa bali babete bagokora amatemu a KCP nabo igo a Kepsea ngoso abale ase ekerasi gya kyanda nabo igo a Sensemilia Junior Secondary School bakora wano mu county commissioner we county ya Kisii Tom Anjere nigobono arurugo chikago chia ase abagambye nabo igo abakonyi babo kubweterana nabo igo gosoa ase ebinyoroime kwene kibuna kera omoro kigwa ngoswale ase eskuru.
Jinsi hali ilivyo katika kaunti ya Kisii ni kwamba tumeamrisha machiefs na manaibu wao kukuwa na ile register ya wale watoto walifanya mtihani mwaka jana, wale walifanya klasi ya 6 na wale walifanya darasa la 8. Na baada ya wiki 2 tunatarajia kila chief na naibu wake awe anaweza akajua kila mwanafunzi alienda kwenye shule ipi. Wale wanaingia kidato cha kwanza na vile vile wale wengine wameingia kwa junior secondary school. School tumefanya vizuri sana. Kufikia sasa tuko na 95%, asilimia 95. Na upande wa kidato cha kwanza ambayo ni form 1 admission tuko kwa 75% ambayo ni 75 asilimia. Kwa hii 75 wilaya ya Marani, wilaya ya Gucha, wilaya ya Tago
Abaibori korwa sensemo ya Tana Delta nigoba imurunganiri kobwatekana nogokonga kubugima wokwana nigoba bolire aborokia wanchera aborokiwa babogosoa ase eskuru elikogendera kwenyorera chisemi chingaki bagendete koligia enibo kolende nigo yabirige kwene kigobuna ase aborokiwa bali babete bagokora amatemu amanena KCP nabigo Kepsea ekerengo gya 10 na Isano igoro yemia na uboka benyorereri bagana bigo kunyara gosoa ase chiskuru.
Mwanafunzi anaweza kuendelea kusoma, unasimamiwa hiyo gharama kwa sababu wazazi gharama imekuwa iko juu kiasi cha kwamba hata mwanafunzi kuripoti inakuwa ni shida, kuendelea na masomo inakuwa ni shida. Unaona hata kuna wengine anaona afadhali ni repeat, pengine next time nitapata at least scholarship ya kwamba nitasimamiwa, ya kwamba na mimi nitaenda mbele.
Mimi ninaomba serikali, hasa watoto wengi kwa sehemu ya Tana Delta wamepita sana. Tunaomba hawa kulingana na hali ya mazingira au na hali ya anga, hawa watoto wawe admitted na mahitaji mengine yawe baadaye, lakini wawe wamekuwa admitted.
In the form 1 reporting we are still very low, na tunahimiza kwamba kama vile tumesema for those day schools ni free, si ndio? The parent is only needed to pay for the lunch. Everything is being taken care by the government. Lakini so far as by yesterday, only 238 boys, 106 girls who have reported. So we have 434 who have reported out of 2,456 who did the exam. This is only 18% who have reported.
Abakenya nigo babuligwe kwa serikali chingaki eligo chaka emirimo yabo bene gochia ase abananchi okwana ase omuyiga obukobekerwa egutwa buna omo bishop omutangani asensemo ya Eldoret omo bishop bekanisa ya Orthodoksi Noifitas Kongai nigo abolire bali bakwamerelia serikali gotiga kumochia serikali egekogera nibwate chingaki.
Give the president and his cabinet time to organize themselves and to give us all that God has provided for them, for this nation. We know that we have a president who loves God. We have a president who fears God. We have a president who loves Kenyans. We have a president who is passionate about his work. Let us give him time and pray for him. Elections are over. it is time for development. We thank God for peaceful elections we had, and we cannot allow any political storm to derail the democracy we are currently enjoying. Tuna enjoy haki kabisa.
Abanyagitari kurwase county ya Nairobi nigo barubikana abosibwo bisi omugabana bwe county yo Johnson Sakaja ase kurigererigo osase bagania kurigererigwa asensemo ya NHIF okwana nigo barokana ko gechigwana bokoreri we serikali ye county yo ase bane kibuna nigo babiri bakona cyo kibesa kya NHIF kurende mbaruki ase kigo kya.
As doctors of Nairobi, our main agenda for picketing today is we don't have a comprehensive insurance cover. Yes. Can you imagine? Shame. We've actually tried to work to coordinate with the county. We've tried to use diplomacy, but diplomacy has not worked. We've had no cover from 4th of February. And even before that, we did not have a cover. We actually given a brief cover for like 2 weeks, and then the NHIF suspended the cover. So now, as we speak, doctors are not in hospital. We are here to picket for our rights. Our right as doctors, imagine we're giving a service which ourselves cannot get it. We have doctors who are in hospital as we speak. They are being detained in hospitals because of bills we cannot pay. Yes. Doctor is just a title. There is no money in that doctor. So you can imagine being told to pay 700,000, 1 million in one day. Where will you get that power? So we are here today to demand a comprehensive NHIF cover. Yesterday we were told that the PS is aware, and by 8 a.m. it will be up, the system of NHIF will be up and about. We have actually checked all of us. It's not working. It is still uncovered. We don't want to be uncovered. We want to be covered and the arrears cleared. We just don't want to be covered and still in arrears. We are being deducted money. NHIF stops showing money every month, 1,700.
Omugavana we county ya Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi nigo ayenekirigo chikwororo bya obokoleri nabo igogo kinya ebirengo byobochenu ase ensemeyo okwana chingaki atalete enyagitali ya wahige Kimani nigo abeirega kwene kibuna ekirenga kyaye kenene nokorora abananchi benyoleire obokoleri obya.
We are here to give good service to our people, and the intention, the focus that I have as the governor is to ensure that services to the people are at their best regardless. We have to ensure that when somebody comes to the hospital, whether it is on a Sunday, a Monday, a Thursday morning or evening, or in the middle of the night, they will come and get served. We're here to treat people, to save lives. And that's why I'm here. Secondly, there has to be a conversation between ourselves and our medical practitioners, and also those that are working within our health sector, that we have one common goal. There are not two. And our goal is to ensure that to the best possible and the highest standard, that when a patient comes to any of our facilities, one, they're able to find medicine. Two, they will find staff who are ready to receive them, who are knowledgeable, who are ready and have got a good attitude. And what they need is available. If it is the medicines, it's available. That can only be done once all of us are seeing the same way and looking at the same direction.
Omugavana we county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembea bonanigo asioliri omurobiri bene oyibo kweneki obolendi asensemeri ya Rift Valley okwana litkoligoro ase omusangirikano bw'amasabo imiye county ya Nakuru nigo abetega kwerera emechando ebikosi byobolendi bigwetera nabo igo naki eserikali ebonete kuimuki egetambukiro na kwegotinya obolendi ase chinsemo
Hii mambo ya usalama ya hapa Rift Valley. Mimi nilikuwa RC hapa. Na nilipambana na mambo ya usalama hapa kabisa. Kuna mambo rais ambayo hutawahi kuambiwa. Jambo la kwanza ni kwamba wakati mimi nilikuwa RC for 3 years na nimeona PS Raymond yako hapa. Hakuna hata ndururu. And I mean 1 cent ambayo nilipewa kupambana na uhalifu. Not 1 shilling. Jambo la pili, hao maafisa wetu ambao naona wanapigwa marisasi na kukufa. Hakuna hata mmoja anapewa allowance. Ile mshahara ambayo ile officer anapata huko kule Kabedo, yule mshahara ambayo askari amesema hapa Ngata kwa traffic anapata. There's no incentive whatsoever. Number 3, hata chakula kule inafika mahali askari wanafanya unholy alliance na majangili, wapeane risasi ili wapewe mbuzi wa kule. Na hawa watu wamekuwa emboldened. Mheshimiwa Rais, nimesikia watu wakisema kwamba jeshi ikuje pale. Sisi tuliomba jeshi na rais ambaye aliondoka alitupatia jeshi for 10 days. Yale mambo ambayo alifanyia kule na Laikipia Conservancy ndiyo alifanya mimi nikasema hii kazi mimi nitaacha, kwa sababu mnaambia jamaa
Mwanche muligereria kurwa soroboti uruni gona ikire omweli obwa mangana maya asebire biga kurende ngo gusaba to basakuska to basakonyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mangeno yeretrwa senchira yobonye nere sara nyarangi ontita kurende nyora Chinsa mochiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora gwetra Ndizi TV News Digital na biga sensemeria YouTube na bagotonyora gwetra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyora gwetra www.ndizitv.or.ke Maigechi kamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogiria gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama tobeto kubatenere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibiorokerelio na ncheria ne Fridah Kerubo nkobaganilia oboligerelia obia